Ladies and gentlemen, creating a HubSpot account is quick and easy. The onboarding is all built in, so let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, what you essentially want to do once you jump into HubSpot.com to create your account is you're going to go up to Get Started for free. Okay, so go ahead, click on Get Started Free, and it'll take you through the process of creating an account and setting up your business on HubSpot. Now, this is very, very nice. It's a nice way to do onboarding because you don't have to go ahead and do it all on your own. It basically takes you through the whole process. So click on either continue with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or Apple. You can also just add in your email address, but I always use my Google account. The reason I always use my Google account is because it just makes it easier because all of my information is stored in Google, including my first name, second name, business name, and all the rest of it. So what you can essentially do, go ahead, create your account with Google, and now we get to tailor our experience. So you have to now choose which best describes your role. I'm going to go ahead and say owner. You can now add in your company's website. So it'll show you the format that it needs to be in. So www.howtoharbor.com, and give it a second and go and click on next. Now it'll jump to this website domain. It'll either give you an error if it's analyzed it and there's something going wrong, or it will not give you anything. But for now, just because that's an example, it's given me an error. You'll now have to choose your industry. So go ahead and choose your industry, how big your company is. So choose the amount of people that are in your company. And here you are going to just add in the company name. Go ahead and click on Create Account. Now, this will take a bit of time to do so, okay? What will happen now is it's basically now setting up your company space. Now, you will have to answer a couple more questions just to personalize your experience. So, what would you like to focus on first? So what we want to say is generate leads, and then where or what tools do you currently use? So you can select multiple here. So we currently use Gmail, and we use Slack, and we use Google Calendar, for example. Now, if you'd like to skip this, you can go ahead and click on skip for now. These are all optional questions. Let's go ahead and connect your email with your account. So you can say continue with Google, or you can just say I'll manually create my contacts. Now this will just take all of your contacts and throw them straight into HubSpot without you having to actually do it. You can see over here that you can also just add in some contacts manually. Again, you can go ahead, add them in, click on next, but for now we're just going to say skip, and then you can invite team members. Okay, so there is the option to make them a super admin. You can just read more about what a super admin is over here. But if you don't want to add anybody for now, you can just say skip. Now, essentially, this is building a tailored setup, as you can see, and it's going to allow HubSpot to work for you, for your business, and allow you to do what you want to do with HubSpot without any of the added bits and pieces that are unnecessary at this stage. Of course, at a later stage, you can add them in. Let's go and click on Get Started, and let's just close this up over here. Let's close. That's great. All right, now we are in. We've got a HubSpot account, and we are ready to make magic.